Hey Normie, so I've just to share this with you as well. So I've already created the blog post. Please make sure it's private, so we don't want it to appear on our blog page at all as a post, or anyone to be able to any random people or any of the public to see it. The reason why we're going to use this as a lead generation tool and run some Facebook lead form ads to this, and then in it it'll be unlock the blog post now. So that's why it's left as private. So please leave it as private. And just a question on that: if it's private, will that link still work if it's given to anyone? I mean, it should, right? Yeah, it looks like it does. So that's cool. So what I want you to do is just pull over all info out of this and plug it into that blog post. The images as well. So you can grab that one there. That one here. Don't worry about the headers like these. The header and the footers, leave them. They're fine. Like that could probably, this image here, that whole one there, that could be the post title. I think you can add like an image. Yeah, make that the feature image. Yeah, grab that image, put it in. Don't worry about that one. The one of Blake there, you can leave that out. And leave this, or oh no, include that image as well. So that's me, Blake, and Joe. So leave that image in there. Just copy everything as it is, except for this one of Blake and the headers. And if you could do that and just format it, make it look good, obviously like use the proper headers, imagery, that would be awesome. And yeah, shoot that link back over to me, or once you've uploaded all that, let me know, and that's all good. But yeah, that link shouldn't change. Just if you add that all in, that'll be cool. Thank you.